Welcome to Top Product Picks. The best pink birthday decorations is probably one of the most versatile and charming choices for celebrating any special occasion, transforming a simple party space into a whimsical wonderland that evokes joy and festivity, making every moment memorable and picture-perfect for guests of all ages. Number 5. Oh Mua Mua Pink Rose Gold Birthday Party Decoration Set. Make your birthday party truly special with our luxurious rose gold decoration set. It's the perfect way to add an amazing finishing touch to your celebration. This 4-in-1 kit includes everything you need: glittery banners, tissue paper pom-poms, and stylish garlands. It's designed to impress with its glitz and glam. These elegant decorations are ideal for birthdays of all ages, from 18th to 90th. They are also perfect for bridal showers, bachelorette parties, and gender reveals. Forget the hassle of misspelled banners. Our garlands and banner come pre-assembled for easy hanging. The pom-poms and tassel garlands include simple instructions for quick setup. Crafted from high-grade paper and string, all items in this set feature an elegant rose gold finish. Enjoy a stylish and fabulous party atmosphere. We are committed to providing top-notch products and excellent service. If you have any questions or concerns, please don't hesitate to contact us. What we like. This set offers a complete 4-in-1 rose gold party decoration experience. It includes a pre-assembled banner, making setup a breeze. If you are looking for a luxurious and elegant rose gold theme for a birthday, bridal shower, or bachelorette party, this is a fantastic choice. What people say. The banner was a good size and the colors were vibrant. The balloons were easy to inflate and held air well throughout the party. The tablecloth was durable and wiped clean easily after the event. Number 4. 225 PC Rose Gold Birthday Party Decorations Kit. Get ready for a stunning celebration with our complete Rose Gold Party Decorations Kit. It has everything you need for a picture-perfect birthday, all in one convenient package. Our decorations feature unique, custom designs crafted with care. From sparkling tiaras to elegant banners, every piece adds a special touch to your celebration. Spend less time decorating and more time celebrating. Our kit is designed for quick and easy setup, so you can enjoy a beautifully decorated party space in minutes. We use only high-quality, durable materials for our decorations. You can trust that every item, from the balloons to the tableware, is built to last and impress. Whether it's for a girl, teen, or woman, this versatile kit is ideal for any birthday. It's perfect for decorating any space, indoors or out, for a memorable event. Make their special day unforgettable with this elegant rose gold theme. It's the ultimate bundle for a stylish and joyous birthday party. What we like. This is a mega bundle with 225 pieces, designed to serve 25 guests. It includes not only decorations but also all the necessary tableware. If you need a comprehensive, all-in-one solution for a larger party and want to minimize shopping for individual items, this kit is ideal. What people say. The balloons were a vibrant pink and held air well throughout the party. The banner was easy to hang and the glitter detailing added a nice touch. The tablecloth was a good size and wiped clean easily after the event. Number 3. Pearlescent Pink 2 Balloon. Make your birthday celebration extra special with this stunning number balloon. It's perfect for creating a playful backdrop for memorable photo shoots and is sure to bring smiles on their special day. This versatile balloon is the ultimate party accessory for any age. You can inflate it with helium for a floating effect or use natural air to hang it up as a decoration. It's perfect for long-lasting celebrations. This balloon features a vibrant, luminous pink hue that exudes timeless elegance. It creates an enchanting focal point and bathes your event in a warm, lavish ambience. You can easily inflate or deflate it using a straw. After the party, simply open the tab and use a long straw to release the air for future use. These decorations are a must-have for your celebration and they're super cute too. They make a great focal point and can match any theme. Plus, they're an awesome prop for snapping photos. What we like. This is a large, 40-inch pearlescent pink number balloon, perfect for a second birthday or any celebration involving the number 2. It's easy to inflate with air or helium, self-seals, and is reusable. If you want a striking focal point for photos or a specific age celebration, this balloon is a great option. What people say. The balloons were a good size and held air well. The banner was sturdy and the colors were vibrant. The tablecloth was easy to clean and wipe down. Number 2. GOER Metallic Tinsel Foil Fringe Curtain, Hot Pink. Add a dazzling touch to your next celebration with this vibrant hot pink foil curtain. Its metallic shimmer creates an eye-catching focal point for any party. Crafted from a thick, durable PET material, this backdrop is built to last. It's strong enough to handle any party atmosphere. Measuring 3.2 foot x 9.85 feet, it's perfect for covering a wall or doorway. Simply peel and stick the adhesive tape for instant decoration. This versatile backdrop is ideal for a wide range of events, including birthdays, weddings, graduations, and New Year's Eve. Let your creativity shine. Made from high-quality mylar, this decoration can be reused for multiple celebrations. It's designed to add a festive and memorable touch to your photos. For an even more dramatic look, layer multiple curtains together. This will create a fuller, more impactful backdrop for your event. What we like? This is a vibrant hot pink metallic tinsel foil fringe curtain, measuring 3.2 foot x 9.85 feet. It comes with adhesive tape for easy hanging and is reusable. If you're looking to create a dazzling, shimmering backdrop for a party like a bachelorette, birthday, or New Year's Eve, this curtain will add instant festive flair. What people say. The balloons were a good size and held air well. The banner was easy to hang and looked very festive. The tablecloth was durable and wiped clean easily. Number 1. Brew Glitter Pink Edible Drink Glitter. Introducing Brew Glitter, the perfect way to add a touch of magic to any beverage. It's flavorless and made right here in the USA. Our edible glitter is designed to enhance the visual appeal of your drinks without altering their taste. Enjoy a beautiful shimmer with every sip. Get ready for a stunning pink sparkle that will make your cocktails, mocktails, or any drink truly unforgettable. It's a simple way to elevate your creations. We pride ourselves on quality. This product is proudly made in the USA, ensuring you receive a premium edible glitter for your enjoyment. Each container holds 4G of our delightful pink glitter, providing enough sparkle for many occasions. It's easy to use and store. Let your imagination run wild. This flavorless glitter is perfect for parties, special events, or just adding a fun twist to your everyday drinks. What we like? This is edible glitter specifically designed for drinks, in a lovely pink shade. It's flavorless and made in the USA. If you want to add a touch of sparkle and fun to cocktails, mocktails, or other beverages for a party, this is a safe and visually appealing choice. What people say. The color pink is very vibrant and pretty. The decorations were easy to set up and looked great. Good quality materials, they held up well throughout the party. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.